Okay guys, this is the weekly market brief, so let's get right into it then. So this week oil kicked off the market at $95 a barrel, and since then we've been sort of hovering around that area and we've dropped down to 92. This is the support area that we had marked out for the last few weeks. We have constant rejections, and finally we broke that area, so we are looking to drop down to 8750, which looks like the next support area on the 4-hour chart. Moving over to the daily, price action looks good, and we could see a drop down to 8750. For the week, oil is down quite a lot, so we are looking for a 5. It looks like it's a 5% drop. So in the fuel market of diesel, we will see a 4 to 5 pence a litre on diesel drop for next week. Moving over to cable, cable kicked off at 1700. We made a high and touched 120 on Tuesday, and since then we have sold off. And today was the second budget for the year that we've had. First one was from Kwasi, which he screwed up quite badly with all the tax cuts, and Sterling didn't like that, and we did sell off aggressively in the week of the 19th of September, and we made a low of 103. So Jeremy Hunt came out with Jeremy Hunt came out with the budget this time, and what he's doing is increasing taxes, and for investors it's not good news. He is slashing dividend and he's slashing capital gains. So dividend is decreasing from 2,000 to 1,000 next year, not good for investors. And capital gains taxes, the allowance for capital gains is being slashed by 50%. So from 12,300 it'll be to 6,000 next year, and then 2024 will be 3,000. So not good for investors whatsoever, and hence if you see the last 4-hour candle, sterling has sold off quite aggressively since the annual budget. So apart from that, sterling looks like it is heading down. He did mention that we are in a recession now, and for next year there won't be no growth whatsoever, and the UK economy will be looking like it will be contracting quite a bit. So it will shrink for GDP, and there won't be no growth whatsoever. So sterling rejected off 120. We could be looking for a retracement to 115. Price action doesn't look so clear, but it is a clean rejection from 120. And that's it. So the diesel market, we will be seeing a 4 to 5 pence a litre drop for next week. And that's all. Join me again next week.